Hello friends, so today we're going to do the temperate climate zone, and this is by Ryan, so let's get into it. So, the temperate zone is located near the equator and poles. The average precipitation will be 43.3 inches, that's a lot. The average temperature will be 30 degrees Fahrenheit to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. There are 4 seasons because this is the climate we live in. The clothing depends on the weather, like if it's cold, you'll need to wear a jacket. The sunlight isn't that strong in this region. Also, there are warm, dry summers and cold, wet winters. I like this part. My person on the top, who is in the summer, is saying it's like a hot desert. And my person on the bottom, which is he is in the winter, is saying it's snowing. So let's go to the next slide. Yeah, don't forget about the background noise. So, some fruits that are in the temperate climate zone are peaches, apples, plums, and my favorite, strawberries! Give a hand for strawberries! Okay? So, there are also vegetables that are tomatoes, corn, wheat, potatoes, and onions. There are some animals that are raccoons, steel thieves, coyotes, bears growl, lions that are my favorite roar, deer, rabbits, and snakes. And here's a fun fact. Temperate means pleasant, and the temperate climate zone has pleasant weather. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! See you soon!